Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to check for updates for apps on your Windows PC. So what you want to do is just go to the Microsoft Store right here, or just type in Store on the top. And when you type in Store, you can go to the Microsoft Store and open this up. And if you are under Home, you can find the apps you want to download. So I got like Call of Duty Warzone, Roblox. I can get Zoom, Microsoft Teams, Discord, Netflix, etc. And I'm going to go down to where it says downloads right here. And you can check for updates if you go up to the top right now, and you can check and update your apps in the background when you're using your PC. So this is what I do with a lot of apps. I just download them through the Microsoft Store, and then I know they're updating in the background. So not every application will show up on the Microsoft Store, but there is quite a few of them. And you can check your library down here. And if there is an update, just download the update, and it should update everything automatically in the background. So if you download an app through here, it's always going to be updated. So you can see all the different apps I have through here. There's probably like a couple hundred of them. So we can go back to downloads and see if this update is done. Looks like everything is good. Recent updates. You can see everything that was updated recently, but hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.